The holidays are a time of reflection and gratitude. As this year comes to a close, I'm grateful for the trust our homeowners and this community have placed in our company. We cherish their relationship and look forward to serving you for years to come. This is also the season where we keep those who are suffering close to our hearts, from our neighbors in need throughout the valley to our brothers and sisters across the world whose lives have been torn apart by conflict. Amidst the twinkling lights and festive cheer, let's recognize the profound essence of this holiday season, a time where peace and joy should blanket every corner of our world, especially reaching out to the children of Gaza and reminding them that they're not alone. May the spirit of unity and understanding prevail, fostering a world where justice and kindness shine brightly for all. On behalf of all of us at Granville Homes, I wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a healthy and prosperous New Year. Thank you.